Hello friends, welcome to OMS English platform. Like every day, today also I am with you in this video. And today we will talk about speaking art. What is speaking and what is speaking art? We will discuss today in this video about the topic. Speaking. What is speaking? Speaking is an art by which we are sharing our thought, ideas and decision. For example, we can take, if you have a headache in your head, then how can you share with anyone? If you have a stomach problem, then how can you share to each other? How can you tell them? Or how can you make other person understand that you have stomach problem? So like this, we are sharing our thought and ideas to each other. That is the speaking art by speaking. I think it is easy to understand. I hope you may have been understood this topic. Now let's go to speaking difference, different type of speaking. We are using our communication in different situation. Like sometime you are getting very angry, then that time you are using different type of speaking or different type of voice. If you are happy, that time you are using different type of voice or different type of speaking. Sometime you are getting sad, that time you are speaking something different. Then many types of speaking we have that we are sharing to each other. So all these are depend on your situation or your condition. If you are making understand someone, then that type you are using different type of speaking. Different type of speaking means different type of activities and different type of sounds. You know, there are many type of conditions or many situations in our daily life. Now let's know the benefit of speaking. Its benefit is whatever you want to share to someone by your speaking, you can share it very easily. But you have to select the language. The person needs know the language that you are using to share something. And one more benefit is, if you want to win someone's heart, or if you want to motivate some other person or some other people, then you can motivate them or help them to increase their motivation, to improve their everything. I mean, you can help them by your speaking to achieve their goal. You can motivate all those people by your speaking. So it is must benefit. And you know, the coin has two sides, head and tail. Which have some benefits, then other has loss also. Now I would like to tell you the loss of speaking. You know, in this world, there are many kinds of people. Some has good ideas and other has bad ideas. Someone used to speak to make angry other person, and some people use the word to speak, make happy other person. But some people are using to backbite by speaking. Someone wants to hurt someone by speaking. Then all these things are benefit and loss for our life of speaking. That's enough for today. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you very much.